Welcome and what is up there everybody, this is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video we've got some huge Dogecoin news that just came out, and this stuff looks like it could be really affecting the markets. And along with that, we're also going to be going over a little bit of technical analysis, taking a look at where Dogecoin could be heading in the next few hours and in the next few days. So I just want to preface this video. You guys are probably wondering why I'm whispering, and the reason why is because it's 6 a.m. where I'm right here, and you might also hear some nice bird sounds. Well, they might be distracting, and I'm sorry if they are, but I'm just in a different location right now, and gotta do what I gotta do, trying to grind and get those Dogecoin news out to you guys so you guys know what's going on in the whole crypto space. So yeah, hopefully you guys are okay with that, and let's get into the video. Smash that like button, subscribe. You guys already know the deal, and let's get right into it. So Dogecoin's currently at about 25 cents, up about 1% on the day, nothing major. If we look at the last week, we've had a massive swing in the about a week ago, where we dropped down below 17 cents, made this double bottom right here that I called out in one of my videos, and since then we've been moving upwards up to about 28 cents, where we had to cool off a little bit, so we dropped off to about the 23 to 25 cent levels. That's where we're consolidating at right now. If we take a look at the charts later on in the video, I'll be showing you guys exactly what I think could be happening soon. But yeah, we're still on this pretty big downtrend. It looks like we could be looking to make our way out of it though soon. So yeah, we're gonna be going over that in the charts. But before we do so, let's get into the news and talk about what's really going on in the crypto space. So if we take a look, the SEC delays Robinhood IPO over questioning concerns the company's crypto business. So basically, Robinhood is trying to go IPO, and the SEC is trying to haggling down on them because of their whole crypto business. How they like everyone's waiting for wallets on Robinhood. They've been talking about it for quite a while now, so you can send and receive crypto, right? Like, hey, I want to send my boy David some Dogecoin, but it's like, hey, you can't send or receive Dogecoin on Robinhood yet. It's just kind of a pain. That's why they're probably behind the majority of crypto exchanges. But yeah, basically that's one of the reasons why. But let's go over and see why the SEC is actually so concerned about the crypto business. Because if you guys are holding any crypto on Dogecoin, on Robinhood, this could actually be pretty concerning. So Robinhood Markets Inc., the American financial services company headquartered in California, has seen its IPO delayed in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. According to the report citing people are familiar with the matter, the SEC questioning Robinhood's cryptocurrency business. So basically, Robinhood was supposed to have an IPO this month, but according to a report from Bloomberg, the listing has been slowed down by the SEC. And the reason why is the report cites a few people familiar with the matter, and they asked not to be identified because the matter is private. So they're trying to keep the things on the down low, on the DL, but I think some of the news has gotten out. So however, they say that the U.S. regulator has questions concerning the cryptocurrency side of the business, as Robinhood also allows customers to purchase popular stocks. Since 2018, Robinhood has allowed customers to purchase and trade crypto assets like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum. And I know a lot of people who have bought Dogecoin on Robinhood and have made a killing because they bought it very early. And especially since like Robinhood was one of the first major exchanges to start accepting Dogecoin, which was why a lot of people hopped on. It was just a joke, and those jokes ended up making people's tens of thousands, some people even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So yeah, if you got in early, 100%, congrats. But yeah, basically the company's under fire because of the Wall Street Bets fiasco that happened with GameStop, and it's currently happening with AMC as well. But the SEC's current concerns involve the cryptocurrency business and not really that at the moment. And that lets users purchase ETH, Doge, and Ethereum rather than scrutinize the stock fiasco. Renowned investor Warren Buffett talked about Robinhood and told CNBC that the investing crypto assets and stocks Robinhood is akin to casino gambling. So Warren Buffett literally went out and said, hey, this is like casino gambling, which I can agree if you're like trading options, that kind of stuff. But if you're holding crypto for the long term into good projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, of course, I think Dogecoin's going to go so far, then it's not gambling. It's not really gambling. And also, billionaire investor Mark Cuban criticized Robinhood at the end of April and said, the greatest inhibitor to its growth is that you can't spend Doge you buy on Robinhood. which is so true. That's why we need wallets to come to Robinhood. We need to be able to send and receive Dogecoin. You want to go buy some coffee with Dogecoin? Robinhood's like, no, guess what? You can't buy you can't buy coffee with Dogecoin with us. Not at all. We need Robinhood to allow people to start using wallets. And basically, what's going on is that the SEC is just scrutinizing them and getting down on them because their crypto business just seems a little iffy, you know? So yeah, that's basically what's going on. And let's take a look at the charts and see what's going on with Dogecoin and what could be happening in the next few hours and in the next few days. So taking a look, we can see that Dogecoin's currently at about the 25-cent mark. And over the last few months, we've been forming this massive head and shoulders pattern right here. And as you can see, we broke below the neckline. Oops. All right, yeah, you get the gist of it though. We have this shoulder, head, and shoulder, and we broke below the neckline, which is on this trend line, this red trend line, as you can see. And we broke below it right here, retested, and then made our way back down. And then we had that massive sell-off one day in the morning. I don't know if you guys remember. And we dropped down to about the 16.5 cent area for Dogecoin, which is a massive drop from about 30 cents to 16. That's a 50% drop. Like, we're not talking any small numbers here. So if you held your Dogecoin, good work, diamond hands. That's what I'm doing right here. Not financial advice, of course. But yeah, basically we had that massive drop and we rebounded and made highs of 28, and now we're consolidating around the 25-cent area. I wouldn't be surprised if we spent some time consolidating here, just to relax a little bit, because we had so many big price swings with Dogecoin price recently that it wouldn't be too much of a surprise. But one thing I want you guys to pay attention to is this Fibonacci retracement that I drew quite a while ago. I started drawing it in the videos and showing you guys about it. I'd say like at least a week ago, and as you can see, it's actually been playing out pretty nicely, where we can see how we had a support play out right on the Fibonacci retracement at 1.618. So we had that drop below, formed some kind of double bottom right here, pushed up, and now we're forming a sort of very nice support right on this 1.618 support level on the Fibonacci retracement, which is just like a psychological level where people tend to buy and sell currency or crypto at a certain price, at a certain place. So yeah, it looks like it's playing out pretty nicely. I wouldn't be surprised if we spent some time bouncing around here before we made any major moves up. But we do need to consider the fact that we could still be heading lower, especially since we're over on a downtrend. I really don't want this to happen, and who would want it to happen, right? But you got to think of it in a good way. If we do drop down lower, if we had some kind of bigger price move where we drop below, retested, maybe headed down to about some old support levels at about 14-15 cents, and spend some time down there, maybe even drop down to 10 cents, that would be pretty bad for Dogecoin, and crypto in general would have to drop significantly for that to happen. But it's always a buying opportunity, and I think the lowest we could be going with Dogecoin is to about 10 cents, unless we see like an entire crypto crash like we had in like 2017, which I don't think is going to happen this year. Or if it does happen, it's not going to be as huge percentage wise that we're going to have the crash. But yeah, basically what we're looking at right now is that lowest point from the Fibonacci retracement looks like it could be at about the 9 to 10 cent area. And I think if we get to that level, I'm personally just buying and buying and buying Dogecoin at that point, which would be an amazing deal, especially if by the end of the year we still have this massive bull run. We could be heading to like the $1 mark. I think $1 mark won't be too hard for Dogecoin to hit. So yeah, if we make our move back up from here, that would be absolutely amazing to $1. So, but yeah, you can never predict the future. You could just get some accurate predictions with charts, especially more in what's going on right now. I'm not sure about exactly how it's going to play out. Please don't take that as seriously. I just drew that to give you guys an example. But just saying, we could rebound right here because we have some pretty good support around the 1.16 area, 23 cents. We bounced around here for a while. I wouldn't be surprised if we started moving up, but just letting you guys know, if we do head down, probably the lowest levels would be 9 to 10 cents. And what I'm doing there is just buying up, not financial advice. Please don't listen to me. Do your own research and make your own decisions based on your own actions. This is just my thoughts and opinions. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at with Dogecoin. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button down below. I hope the video is okay with you guys. Okay for you guys. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.